Ghostbusters.
Bobby, what are you doing?
Taking out the sparkling plug.
And what happens if you touch the clamps there?
It's gonna be nuts.
Oh, girl. You're a class act.
I'd love to know why the magnet's not working when it always works.
Very quick to say about it.
No. Is this how you took it out last week?
Yep.
Yep. Go through the whoop-de-doo.
To the access chingus.
So he wants us to spray
I
what
need
on
some
this?
oil.
Put some oil in there to get the, it gives it a little bit of sealing.
Come on, fucker.
Is it gassy again?
No, it's not. We're lucky there.
Okay, so we got one good thing.
Not gassy.
It didn't have beans. Well, that's the next challenge. Well, we're about to have extra. Why? Because she's putting in the chingadera.
Oil in the chingadera. Right?
We put the lime in the coconut.
Yeah.
We're gonna need a little funnel.
Did you ever watch the videos from last week? I think
Not
Bobby's
yet.
doing it right now. Oh, Bobby, do you need a funnel?
These aren't factory clamps for the
Battery clamp?
Yes.
Oh, here we go.
Yes.
Oh, we found it.
She's gonna.
Yes.
Oh, I love that.
Yes.
This is like what they used at the temple for Hanukkah. And it burned for 8 days. Right, girl?
Yeah.
All right. If you love it, lube it.
Yeah, we're gonna lube it right now.
All right.
I'm gonna stick.
Stick a little
Just give it a couple pumps.
2-pump chump.
That's what I'm gonna do. That's my MO.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
That got her. That got her
I
excited.
lubed her for sure now.
It's gonna be ready to purr.
Or hydraulic, whatever. It's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine.
It's a Bing carb.
This? Yeah, she said it was in.
It was at Barn
Texas
Find.
Barn Find.
Okay. Yeah, it's got an old Texas plate on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, completely.
I think it's from the 50s.
Excuse-moi.
Like 54 or something. Get a really long extension. I can do it from here.
I know, right?
That's going to give us a delightful blue puff of smoke when it lights up, huh?
The plug decides to behave.
Ooh.
No, he's doing Chuck things.
We aren't doing enough.
What did you say?
He's doing Chuck things.
I thought you said it's his birthday.
No, it's a. We did his birthday at his shop. Remember? That was fun.
Like what? Does he have 2 birthdays a year?
Is he gonna do hot laps?
It's his unbirthday.
He should.
Hot laps. Hey Chuck, let's do a hot lap.
Chuck, hot laps.
Hot laps.
Hot
Hot
laps.
laps.
Hot laps.
Hot laps.
Hot laps.
He's like, what? Hot
Hot
laps.
laps.
It's tradition in here.
Oh, you could have a
Yeah.
Tesla.
I would say that tradition's kind of lost its charm.
Buster.
Yeah. What's the torque setting on the BMW 23 Newton meters? How many Newton meters you got out there, buddy?
It's not tight yet.
Oh, girl.
18.7 gigawatts. Whatever it is. I got some eggs over there.
Double decks.
Come on, fucker.
Yeah,
Here it goes.
yeah. How many threads are in there?
A lot.
I look at it every Friday.
What? Butt crack?
Whatever floats your boat.
Just a little
No
crack.
judgment here. Well,
Is
maybe
it-
a little.
What?
Yeah. Is there enough gas in the float? You think, or we
Well,
need
you
to?
can
Do
smell
we
it
need
from
to?
here, so I
Yeah.
Wait a damn minute.
Gas or something else.
What, Bobby? What are you doing, Bobby?
All right, we got Earl in there.
All right.
All right, somebody's got us.
All right. Who's gonna learn your?
Cranky friend.
All right. Ooh, it's almost.
It made an honest to God pop.
You have compression? Have you checked?
It doesn't seem like it's got mud.
They don't have compression.
Yeah.
That's why they're going.
I think it's dead, man.
Yeah.
I think it
It
needs
did.
to go
It
back
turned over her hair with
in
that.
the 27.
It did a
It
a
had
pop
a,
pop.
like the last popcorn in a bag.
Yeah, it was the last. That's all it's got.
There's
That
a
little
way to get it to start.
Sherman. You have the floor.
I don't want to burn out the starter.
Well,
There's not much more to burn out.
How would you tell exactly?
24 volts.
How exactly would we
I'm
come
inputting
to that
more voltage.
conclusion?
24 volts. You might spin it fast enough to
To light.
actually light.
Yeah, I did that with a lawnmower once.
We need 4
You're
to
basically
1.
working on a lawnmower.
We need 4 to 1. 60 pounds for it to explode, to actually combust.
Yeah.
We're not getting it. And it's not like it's one dead hole. It's one dead hole, and that's all we got.
Yeah,
We only have one
there's
hole.
not an extra cylinders to work with here.
No. But I will point out, it is a BMW.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a carbon fiber body like your i3 though.
No, it
I
doesn't.
love how Chuck's like, it is a BMW. BMW.
BMW.
BMW.
God, it's got a rough hole.
Well, you can either add voltage or say meh.
This isn't my class.
What time is it, Sherman?
736.
Well, we need to make some stuff if we're gonna jumper it.
Well, up to you guys.
But I don't think you wanna
Yeah.
crispy up the.
Yeah, but I
If you
mean,
look down here in some of these
It doesn't-
wires,
Yeah, I would say
look
that.
at the metal
But
pieces
you don't
laying
want
on
crispy
the
up the
wires.
wire harness.
Yeah, the harnesses are a little.
the wiring.
We're gonna have
What's
to
that
redo
got to
anyway.
do
We're
with
gonna
it?
have to redo everything if we redo this car.
Chuck just went and got it.
You know?
It's like little brackets on the
No, but I'm just saying.
junction box down there.
It's fine.
This is basically for learning purposes.
For burning purposes?
We're gonna have to. If we do decide to do something with this vehicle, we're gonna replace everything anyway.
There's a battery
Right
charger.
here.
Yeah, let's do it. All right.
I say we do it. Yeah.
We can.
What is problem?